How to log into NatWest credit card account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna see the search box. Type in NatWest credit card and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Scroll down. Navigate to this one website option, natwest.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top left, you're gonna find the option of login. Click on it. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is fill this, provide your credentials. First, you go ahead and type in your customer number, or also you can use your card number. If you want to do so, you can click on the option of card number and then type in that. After you fill this, click on continue. In the next page, you will need to type in your password and click on done. And just with that, you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, you can access your credit card section. So this way you can easily log into NatWest credit card account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of sign up here and register for it. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.